If you are using Cleo and wondering whether you can transfer money from Cleo to your bank account, you are not alone. This is one of the most searched questions about Cleo, especially for people using Cleo Cash Advance or the Cleo wallet. In this video, I will explain clearly whether Cleo allows bank transfers, how withdrawals work, what fees to expect, and the exact options available to get your money out. Let us start with the direct answer. Yes, you can move money from Cleo to your bank account, but not in the way most people expect. Cleo does not work like a traditional bank where you manually send money from an app balance to your bank. Instead, Cleo is designed to link directly to your bank account and handle transfers automatically through that connection. Now let me explain how this works in real life. Cleo connects to your bank account using secure banking integration. When you receive a Cleo Cash Advance, the money is sent directly into your linked bank account. That means there is no separate Cleo wallet you need to withdraw from. The funds arrive in your bank account, and you can spend or withdraw them as usual. This is where many people get confused. Some users assume Cleo holds the money inside the app, and then requires a manual transfer. That is not how Cleo operates. Cleo acts more like a financial assistant that moves money between your existing bank account and Cleo's services automatically. So if you are asking, can I transfer money from Cleo to my bank account, the practical answer is yes, because Cleo sends money directly to your bank when you take a cash advance. Now let us talk about Cleo Cash Advance specifically, because this is the main reason people search for this question. When you request a Cleo Cash Advance, Cleo deposits the money straight into your linked bank account. There is no extra withdrawal step. Once the money hits your account, it is yours to use. You can withdraw it at an ATM, send it to another person, or spend it online just like any other bank funds. However, the speed of that transfer depends on the option you choose. Cleo offers two main delivery speeds. The standard transfer option is free, but it can take 1 to 3 business days to arrive in your bank account. The instant transfer option delivers the money much faster, often within minutes, but it comes with a fee. This is important if you are searching for fast cash advance apps or instant money transfer from Cleo to bank account. The instant option is convenient, but you need to factor in the cost. Now let us talk about fees, because this is where buyer intent really comes in. Cleo itself does not charge interest on cash advances, which is a big selling point. However, Cleo Plus or Cleo Builder subscriptions may be required to access higher advance amounts or faster transfers. On top of that, instant transfers usually come with a small fee, depending on the amount you are receiving. If you choose the free option and wait for standard delivery, there is no transfer fee at all. Next, let us discuss limits, because many people ask how much money they can transfer from Cleo to their bank. Cleo Cash Advance limits typically start small, often around $20 to $70 for new users. As you continue using Cleo responsibly, repay advances on time, and maintain steady income, your limit can increase. Some users qualify for higher amounts over time, but this depends on Cleo's internal assessment of your financial activity. The key thing to understand is that Cleo does not let you move unlimited money at will. Every transfer is tied to an approved cash advance or automated movement related to your bank activity. Now, what if you already have money in your bank account, and you want to move it using Cleo? Cleo can help you manage transfers between accounts if you have multiple linked banks, but Cleo is not designed as a peer-to-peer payment app or a traditional money transfer service. You cannot send money from Cleo to another bank unless it is connected to your profile and approved by Cleo's system. This means Cleo is best used as a budgeting assistant and cash advance tool, not as a full replacement for your bank. Let us also talk about repayment, because this is directly connected to how Cleo moves money. When it is time to repay your Cleo Cash Advance, Cleo automatically withdraws the repayment amount from your linked bank account. You do not manually send money back to Cleo. As long as your bank account has sufficient funds, the repayment happens automatically on the scheduled date. This automatic process is convenient, but it also means you need to plan ahead to avoid overdraft fees from your bank. Now, let me clear up a common misconception. You cannot store money inside Cleo like a wallet and then decide when to transfer it out. Cleo works through direct bank integration. Money flows in and out of your bank account, not into a separate Cleo balance you control manually. So if you are looking for an app that lets you hold funds and transfer them freely, Cleo may not be the best choice. But if you want quick access to small cash advances with simple repayment and budgeting insights, Cleo does that very well. Before you decide to use Cleo, here are a few practical tips. First, always check whether you are eligible for free transfers and how long they take. If you are not in a rush, waiting 1 to 3 business days can save you money. Second, understand the subscription tiers. Some features, including higher advance limits, may require a paid plan. Always compare the cost of the subscription to the benefit you are getting. Third, make sure your bank account stays funded before repayment day to avoid overdraft issues. So to summarize everything clearly. Yes, you can transfer money from Cleo to your bank account, but it happens automatically when you take a cash advance. Cleo sends the money directly to your linked bank account. There is no manual withdrawal process. Transfer speed depends on whether you choose free or instant delivery, and fees may apply for faster access. If this video helped you understand how Cleo bank transfers work, consider subscribing for more clear and honest explanations of finance apps, cash advance services, and money tools people actually use. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.